there, I'm Maura. I'm one of the lead stylists here at Charlie Goss Style Inc. Today we are talking winter capsule wardrobe. So if you follow us on our Instagram account, we recently posted our winter capsule reel, which showcased all of the items you would need to complete a winter capsule wardrobe. So I pulled a few pieces from our suggestions that I'm going to chat through and show you some examples of how to wear some of these pieces. The beautiful thing about a capsule wardrobe, and a lot of our clients request this for this very reason, is that it's so easy to work with. It simplifies getting dressed in the morning because all of the pieces are neutral and easy to mix and match. It kind of takes the headache out of getting dressed, and the simplicity of all the pieces works so well with each other and just take all the stress out of putting outfits together. So I will show you examples of how versatile these pieces are and different ways that you can wear them. But let's go through some of the pieces and just chat through kind of why we've chosen some of these items. So we always recommend having a great denim shirt in your winter capsule wardrobe. This is actually an item that you can wear year round, but in the wintertime, it's a great layering piece as well. So when you're purchasing a denim shirt, this one is by Denim Forum. It's one of our current favorites. You want to stay fairly simple with the construction of it. So there's one pocket on this one. I would avoid too many pockets and stitching details or anything like that. This wash is perfect to get you through year round. And in the wintertime with denim, we always say mid to darker wash is ideal. So this one, it's nice and oversized. So you have the option of either wearing it buttoned up on its own, or you can layer it over your basics like a t-shirt or a long sleeve shirt. And I'll show you an example of how we can dress this up or down. And then obviously, as the weather gets a little bit colder, we're going to be wearing our knit sweaters. So in a winter capsule, we always say a few neutral knits. So for example, we have a heather gray cashmere knit. This one is nice and lightweight, great for dressing up or down. This is perfect for the office or casual weekends. You can pair it with a trouser or with jeans. And then this is a cotton knit sweater in a cream color, a little bit more heavier weight, but beautiful construction. It kind of sits more so at the hip, so you don't have to worry too much about tucking. But these two are definitely a must-have for your winter capsule wardrobe. And like any capsule, you want to invest in good basics. So obviously a black and white t-shirt will get you through every look. These can be layered underneath your crew neck sweaters. They can be layered under blazers and jackets, your denim shirt. So black and white is definitely a must-have. We like when it's a white shirt layered underneath, say for example, this gray crew neck. It just adds a little bit of styling notes to a look. If you've got a white t-shirt peeking out through the collar, it looks more intentional that way and adds, just like I said, another style element and looks more thought out. So definitely invest in some good basics. Your long sleeves as well. Again, the temperatures are dropping, so having a long sleeve option is great. Similar to the t-shirts, you can layer these underneath your sweaters, your blazers, your jackets. You can even wear them on their own and layer a crew neck sweater over the shoulders if you don't want to layer up too much. And then when it comes to pants, we always think, trousers are a must. A black will get you through any occasion. So a good black trouser, something in a bit of a wide leg, is nice and versatile. These can be dressed up or down. So a lot of girls now are actually wearing their trousers in more casual settings. So pair it with a cool sneaker, some basics like your t-shirts, your long sleeves, and some nice accessories is a perfect way to dress down a pair of trousers. And of course, the classic office wear as well. When it comes to denim, as I mentioned earlier, the wash is very important for this time of year. So we're more so focused on medium to dark wash. So for example, these are a nice medium wash from Everlane. This is their cheeky straight leg. The straight leg is perfect for this time of year. It'll get you through the whole season and is actually quite versatile for shoe pairings. So this one hits just around the ankle, so it's perfect for an ankle boot, your flats, your loafers. And then we have a bit more of a wide leg black wash. This one is a full length, but also works very well with most of the shoe options that we have in our winter capsule too. So medium to dark wash, we always include a washed black or a black denim, whatever your preference may be. And when it comes to jackets, my two favorites and two that I get the most wear out of, a black blazer. If you don't already own a black blazer, this is a must-have. I would invest. Aritzia has so many great options. So this is a single-breasted black blazer. It's got one button down here, a little bit of an oversized fit, so it allows you to layer underneath. For example, you could wear a lightweight crew neck sweater layered underneath, or again, your t-shirts, your long sleeves, even a button-up shirt. And then my other personal favorite for our winter capsule is a great long wool coat. So this is the slouch coat from Aritzia. It has just the perfect amount of oversized, kind of relaxed fit to it. The length you want it to be in between your knee and your ankle. So more of a full length. We're not doing the mid-length. This is so versatile, great for the colder temperatures, and again, allows you to layer your sweaters and your basics underneath. So moving on to shoes. In our winter capsule, we have a few shoe options that, again, are super versatile and easy to mix and match with all of the items. So to start, a great neutral sneaker. These are the Onitsuka Tigers in the black and white. A great slimline retro sneaker is all the rage right now, and so I highly recommend you get something like this. These pair really nicely with any of the bottoms that we just talked about. So the denim in any of the lengths, whether it's cropped or full length, straight leg or wide leg, as well as your trousers. Next up is a black loafer. Again, one of those things that you can definitely wear all year round and is worth investing in a pair that you find extremely comfortable. Now, loafers can be a little bit stiff when you first purchase them, so it's a good idea to wear them in a little bit. I highly recommend investing in a genuine leather pair. These are so cute paired with a good pair of socks in the winter months. So wear your loafers again with any of the pants. This is the beautiful thing about the capsule wardrobe, is that all of these pieces work well together. There isn't a single item that you can't pair with each other. And of course, we want to include a bit of a dressier option, a heel. We have a kitten heel ankle boot here. These are from Zara. And I think the key with these is that you want to make sure the ankle part of the boot is nice and fitted. There's not too much gap between the boot and your legs, so that if you are wearing an ankle length jean, that you get that kind of streamlined, nice fitted look where the pant meets the boot. So these are great. You can wear them to the office. You can wear them day to day. The heel is low enough that they'll be comfortable to walk around in throughout the day. And we have some accessories too. So when it comes to bags, black is obviously a safe bet. It'll go with everything that you've got in your closet. So the black tote is a must for work, for moms. If you have a lot of stuff to carry around with you throughout the day, a really nice black tote is fantastic to have. This one is from Brave Leather. It's a genuine leather bag, lots of space in here. This is what I use for my day-to-day coming to the office. And then a little black shoulder bag. This is a beautiful modern shape, very on trend right now, and it's perfect to get you through the day if you don't have too much to carry with you, or of course for your evenings out, dinners out, that kind of thing. We also included, because yes, it snows here in Canada, a few things to keep you warm. So a knit beanie. This one is black. You could do gray, cream, whatever kind of is your preferences as far as your winter accessories go. And then we have a cashmere scarf from Aritzia. This is a beautiful item to add to your winter wardrobe. It'll keep you nice and cozy. You can wear it a few different ways. Pair it over your simple basics to add an extra layer and point of interest in the office. It's actually a really nice thing to have at your desk to wrap around your shoulders too if you get chilly. So those are the accessories. Now let's go through a few examples of how we can pair these items together and different ways to wear them. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that provided some inspo for your winter capsule wardrobe. Let us know what your favorite look was and maybe what one of your favorite pieces are from your personal winter capsule, and we'll see you next time.